Welcome. If you want to connect Fake AirPods to your iPhone 10, at the first you have to go for the settings, then go for the Bluetooth settings and activate Bluetooth. Next we have to grab charging case and open it. And if they are going to pop on the list, we have to simply tap on them to connect. And if it is not going to happen after a few seconds, we have to use this pairing button on the back of the charging case. So just wait. Okay, as you can see, they are not going to connect automatically, so we have to click and hold this back button. So click, hold, keep holding. As you can see right now, they are pops on the list, so we can try to connect to them. So click. As you can see right now, they are connected. And they changed the name for something like that. So let's take it off. Then just click down. And as you can see right now, they are connected, so we can try to use to put it into ear, and we can hear this characteristical sound, and it means that they are just connected. And as you can see, Siri is also working. So yeah, that's how we can connect Fake AirPods to your iPhone 10. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.